got the CBR 600RR and the Ninja 600 out here today, baby. My boy Utah in some, he in the cow skin today. He in the cow leather. The 600's out here making the R1 look bad. Then we got the cool guy on the CBR, just one-handed. Oh, and the cow, he's one-handed too. That means I need to go one-handed also, because y'all just cool, just one hand chilling. Now I can see my speed today. How fast you think you could take this turn? Huh? I said, how fast do you think you could take this turn? You got another cool biker over there. Maybe he'll go with you. You got good luck with the Harley guys. And he got the high handlebars. Hey, let's see if that go with me. Let's see if that go with me. It's not that clear, it keeps going out. I don't know. You know how these Cardo shits be. That's the way is this nigga straight. We're all out of here. I think I'm out of here. Bro, let me get the Burnout on camera. Come on. Do it again. So oh, fuck. Think about my ears. Oh, it's over here. Bro, I didn't get it on camera. I'll tell you, do this again so I get this shit on camera. Golly, I have my camera off.
I'll do it. I thought you were saying my rubber was hitting him in the face. Oh, no.
Nah. I'll tell you shit again. I was like, oh shit. Let me turn on my camera. You stopped. I was like, oh. Bro, that was lit. "42 fucking minutes for me to get home, bro. Crazy." Hey, so you see we got the foam mount on there now. Got it from Cycle Gear. So, shout out Cycle Gear. I'm probably gonna have to fix it up because it's a little loosey goosey, but it's good enough to stay on, and I'll look into it more when I get home. But we're about to go. Hopefully we won't have no close calls, man. We had 2 close calls with the cops today, man. Thought they was gonna pull us over on the highway too. I mean, you said you got yours tight, so yeah, we ready. Shit, now I gotta. Mine is good. How you positioned it? Yeah, mine good for now. Oh, the accent coming out. No, let me hear it. He said bothering me, you know? Really? Look at mine. What? I don't know. I think when I get home, I'm just gonna hit it with the hammer so it'll go down deeper. Cause look, your stem isn't all the way down there. So that's why it's wobbly. So that's why mine isn't as wobbly. But I'm gonna hit mine with the hammer when I get home, and it should go down. You probably need to use a smaller washer too. That's what I had to do. That washer looked like it's too big for the whole. Pause. Damn, look at Mount Rainier from here, man. Hey. I was gonna just say, go ahead. This nigga. Sure not. Oh, we in here. We in here. Oh, sad for you. Slide by, yeah, slide by. Hey. Bro. Supposedly there's a cop somewhere. I could barely hear you, bro. Damn, mad bikers this fast. You said it died? My phone is kind of bobbling a little bit. My tail light's on? Wait, oh. Hey. Hey. Liddy. Hey, Joy. Trey going crazy. Oh, you going straight? Hey, so this is, we met this Suzuki guy. He on the 1000. We got his info. You might see him in some more videos. I wasn't recording, but he was on the side of the road. We kind of helped him out. I think his bike was flooded or something. So yeah.